I'm Will, I'm a barista at Jim Beam's Coffee in Wallingford. It was a bit of an odd one opening up in the middle of a pandemic. We've managed to get it so that everything's takeaway. We've been using GreenTeck since we opened. It's all eco-friendly. It's that peace of mind of knowing that every surface is clean. Even now that all the restrictions are lifted, cleanliness is key when it comes to serving food and drinks. I know it's a bit of a nerdy thing to get excited about, but the spray on these bottles is actually fantastic. If you use them all day, every day, not having to sort of be pumping your fingers off, a couple of squirts, it just saves us so much time and effort. The mist, it covers a bigger area, you're not leaving that sort of nasty film. And, it helps get in all the places that you wouldn't normally get to. There's no allergens in it. If it gets in food prep areas, it's completely safe. We try and be as sustainable as possible from where we source our coffee to where we get our cups from, and the fact that GreenTeck is refillable, it saves money on transport, it saves money on packaging, it's actually really affordable. Like if we had to go and buy name brand cleaning products, it costs a fortune. With GreenTeck, it saves us a lot of money, which is always nice for a small business. It does the job better than anything we've used before. It's sustainable, it's affordable, and we love it. For what we do, it really is a game changer.